If you have ever stood in front of your wardrobe feeling like you have plenty of clothes but still struggle to choose a bottom wear, then this video is exactly for you. Today I am going to help you to choose the right pants and jeans for capsule wardrobe, understand which color works most of your tops, learn the most versatile pieces and avoid buying bottom wear that ends up sitting unused in your closets. We will also talk about petite friendly style, the best fabric to look for, and how one pair of pants can create both casual and formal outfit. Because the goal is not to own more bottoms, the goal is to own the right bottoms that works with almost everything you already have. So, welcome to the episode 3 of Capsule Wardrobe series called How to Choose Right Designs of Bottom Wear if you are planning to build your capsule wardrobe. And honestly, this is one of the biggest points to think that helped me to build a functional wardrobe. Earlier, whenever I bought my bottom wear, I mostly focus on what I like in that moment. There was no color strategy, no design approach, and no thoughts about how it would work with my existing wardrobe clothes. But once I started building my capsule wardrobe, I could clearly see what I already own, what was missing, and what pieces would actually give me more outfit options. So before jump into the details, just a quick introduction if you are new to my channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Style Equation. In this channel, we simplify fashion using logic, balance and real life practicality. Our focus is to create well-balanced look through thoughtful styling instead of blindly following trends. The whole video is divided into two sections. First one is casual and formal pants and the second one is denim pants. Okay, when building a capsule wardrobe, we should think colors in the first step before go with the trends. I always recommend starting with versatile neutral shades. Few shades which I like the most are beige, cream, grey, black and white, which can pair effortlessly with pastel shades or even brighter colors in my wardrobe. The second essential is a black pant. If I had to choose only one versatile pieces, of course black pant would definitely be at the top of my list if I choose the darker bottom wear, and beige and grey pant will be on the lighter side. Believe me, they work across all seasons, occasions and styling preferences. Now let's talk about the fit of the bottom wear. The right fit can completely change how polished an outfit looks. When I like to think of a bottom wear, I would prefer to choose these 4 simple categories. The pants which are fit through the waistline and thighs and narrow towards the ankle. Straight leg pants which maintain the same width throughout and probably the easiest style to pair with different tops. Bootcut or slightly flared pants which can create balance and elegance, and wide leg pants which offer comfort while still look sophisticated when styled correctly. And in all of the cases, I always go with high-rise pants which are incredibly versatile because they define the waistline and create a longer leg line. That's why I am not sure if you have noticed it or not, high-rise styles appear repeatedly in capsule wardrobe. In the next part, let's talk about something related to petite styling hacks. So as I'm a petite woman, I always focus on choosing the right cuts of the bottom wear which can create a huge difference. The objective is not to look taller, it's to create a balanced proportion with more elongated silhouettes. Some of the styles I would recommend are high waist trousers, straight leg pants, slim ankle length pants, etc. These designs naturally create a cleaner vertical lines which often makes the overall outfit look more balanced. Dark monochrome bottoms can also be extremely helpful because they create one continuous visual line. Being a petite woman, the type of designs that I avoid is extremely oversized or very bulky silhouettes that can overwhelm most of the times. Next is how to choose bottom wear fabrics. I feel when it comes to fabric of the bottom wear, you have to choose the cloths which gives comfort, durability, structure, and we must ask one question: how often we actually wearing the pieces? For structure and long-lasting pants, fabric like twills, denim, canvas works beautifully. For everyday versatility, lightweight twills are a great option because they balance both structure and comfort. And if you love flowy silhouettes, softer drapey fabrics can create a very elegant look, especially in wide leg styles. Another capsule wardrobe tip is to think beyond the current season. Don't buy only for today. Think about how the pants will work throughout the year. Can it be transition from summer to winter? Can it be layered? Can it be styled in multiple ways? The more season a piece can survive, the more valuable it can become your wardrobe. After this Let's next come to section 2 called denim jeans. Instead of collecting many different washes of jeans and styles, focus on few versatile options. For example, a dark wash jeans is one of the most practical choices. A classic medium blue wash is another timeless option that works perfectly. For petite women like me, high-rise straight leg jeans are often one of the safest investments. High-rise bootcut jeans are also fantastic because they help create a longer-looking leg line. The goal is not to own every trending denim style. The goal is to own style that continue to work for years. Now let's talk about my favorite section called how one bottom can create multiple looks. You know, one of the best thing which I like about capsule wardrobe is versatility. The same bottom wear should be able to create multiple outfit combinations. Let's take an example of black pants. Pair them with a basic t-shirts and sneakers and you have a relaxed casual look. Swap the t-shirt for a structured shirts or blazer and the same pants instantly become work or meeting appropriate. The same approach works with beige pants as well. For a casual outfit, pair them with a striped tees, neat top and relaxed shirts. For a more polished look, pair them with a white shirts, blazer and a refined accessories. And that's exactly what we want from a capsule wardrobe. More outfit possibilities from a fewer pieces. As we are wrapping up the video, here is a short summary. When you start choosing bottom wear based on versatility, fit, fabric and color instead of impulse buy, your wardrobe becomes much easier to manage now. You spend less and create more outfits. And every piece now starts working perfectly for you, and you pick any random piece, it starts creating balanced and elegant look. And with that, I am closing this video here. I hope this video helped you now to choose the right pants and jeans and avoid impulse buy if you go for shopping next time. And I'll see you in the next episode of this series. Until then, bye bye.